Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be exploring the typical journey of what's involved for a doctor to relocate from his or her home country to practice in the United Kingdom. So if you're interested in this, sit tight and we'll be looking at this shortly in detail. Kindly give me a like to encourage me to come up with more videos and also to encourage YouTube to share my videos to others to view. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so as well. And kindly share this video to anyone who's looking for information regarding this. And please stay tuned because I'll be coming up with other videos as well, which will talk about the pathways for relocating to Canada and other countries. Without wasting much time, we're going to look at one of the very common pathways that international medical graduates, that's doctors, who did not originally train to become doctors in the United Kingdom, but probably trained in their home country or other countries, but then wished to practice in the United Kingdom take. This video is divided into 7 simple steps. The first step you need to be aware of is that you should have completed your medical school. There is a website which has the list of all recognized medical schools in the world. The website link will be in the description below. So have a look, input your university's name, and find out if your medical school is recognized. Once your medical school is listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools, you are good to go. So, after completion of your medical degree and after obtaining your certificate, which could be the MBCHB, MBBS, or MD, you then qualify to move to the next step, which you'll be looking at shortly. The General Medical Council requires that some international medical graduates take an English proficiency examination to demonstrate good command of the English language before they are allowed to take their first examination to practice in the UK. So there are 2 approved English examinations that I'm aware of at the moment. There is the IELTS and the OET. We'll look at them in detail and how much they cost. The IELTS, OET, or the English proficiency examinations are not only needed when it comes to getting registered with the General Medical Council to practice in the UK. It may also be needed when you're applying for a visa to practice as a doctor in the UK. So it's important to get that done and out of the way. It's important to note that there are different types of the IELTS examination, and the most important one to take is the IELTS academic. This examination is broken down into 4 domains, which is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I'll drop the link to the website in the description area so you can find the website link there and visit the website and read in detail. As you can see, the fees range between £175 to £195 depending on your location. GMC has very strict criteria when it comes to your IELTS scores. So as you can see here, you should take the academic version of the test and not general or life skills or any other type of IELTS exam. Also, doctors should score at least a 7, a band 7 in each testing area, and should have an overall score of at least 7.5. These scores should be in the same test, therefore, you can't take 2 different steps and combine the results. The other important details that are required are also stated here. And like I said, the website will be in the description area for you to have a detailed read. And you can do the conversions from pounds to your local currency to know how much this English proficiency exam costs. Alternatively, if for some reason you can't take the IELTS examination, another English proficiency test that can be taken is the OET, which is called the Occupational English Test, and this costs about 455 US dollars. I'll drop a link to the website as well in the description area. You can do the conversion into your local currency to know how much this costs. Once you meet the criteria for the English proficiency tests, you can go ahead to create a GMC online account. I'll drop the link to the website in the description area below. There'll be a section where you input your English test scores, and this will give you the opportunity to go ahead to book for examinations. Once you meet the criteria for the English proficiency, a crucial step to note is EPIC verification. EPIC stands for Electronic Portfolio of International Credentials, and this is an electronic portal through which your submitted medical school certificates would be verified to ensure that it is legitimate. And this would be passed on to a registered organization like the General Medical Council so that your registration process can be completed after you have completed your examination successfully. Once your English proficiency test is sorted, you can go ahead to book for Lab1 examination. And very soon, Lab1 is going to be changed to AKT, which is the Applied Knowledge Tests. I have videos on Lab1 as well as the AKT exam, which comes under the new exam called the UKMLA. So I'd encourage you to have a look on my channel and view these videos as well. I have put up details regarding these examinations as well in those videos, so you can know all you need to know about these exams. The fees for PLAB 1, as you can see, from 1st April 2023 was changed from £247 to £255. Then for PLAB 2 examination, it currently costs £934. After successful completion of the PLAB 1 exam, you can go ahead to book PLAB 2 examination through your GMC account as well. Very soon, PLAB 2 is going to be changed to CPSA. I have videos on PLAB 2 examination, all you need to know about it, as well as examination tips from a PLAB examiner. Then I've also got the UKMLA video on my channel as well, which talks about the CPSA exam, which is a new exam going to replace PLAB 2 very soon. Once the English proficiency test, the PLAB 1 exam, or the AKT, depending on the time you take the exam, and the PLAB 2 exam, or the CPSA, if you're going to take it later, are all sorted out, you can go ahead to register to get a GMC license. Depending on your circumstances, you could qualify for a provisional license or a full license. The various costs are outlined here. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you have found this insightful. And I've got more exciting videos coming up shortly, also about pathways to relocate to Canada to practice and other projects I'm working on. Just before you go, if you haven't liked, please like this video because I believe you have found this insightful. Leave a comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and encourage me to come up with more videos. I plan to come up with very, very insightful videos in future, and I have more projects coming up. So see you in my next video. Bye now.